Okay guys, so this episode is, I think it's like episode 15 now of Building Timber. So this episode, I'm 2 weeks out from my home warming party, which is like, it was really intense. I was like, oh, I gotta get some stuff done. I was like, ah! But in this episode, I did like a whole bunch of stuff with the AC. We did all the installing on it and had a few mishaps, which was kind of funny. And then also just a bunch of updates on like what I was still doing and what I was about to do like in the next 2 weeks that I had left before the home warming party. So it was great. So you guys enjoy that clip, and I will be here drinking my tea. I got this at Salvation Army, guys. It was great. I got it for 50 cents. So guys, guess what? Today I'm not sweating because the AC is in. So it's like really cold in here right now. It's amazing. It took all day. Like, we did all the prepping. Essentially, we did all the prepping. Well, I did a lot of the prepping all week, and then so I'm off work all week this week, 4th of July week, and so I prepped the roof. I put the tape down up on top so that it wouldn't leak. And yesterday I did the last minute prepping with Dad. And we did like, put the boards up and stuff. And then today, spent like 4 hours straight trying to figure this thing out. Finally, we get it put together. Actually, I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot. And then we got it working. We got everything hooked up. And like 30 minutes after it's been up, it starts like dripping water, like condensation, but like big time condensation. We're like, ah! So we climbed up on top and we're trying to figure out what's going on. And it took us like an hour. We took everything apart, not everything apart, but like we took the shrouds off and stuff. And it turns out when we were assembling it, one of the screws, well, not really a screw, but a bolt that went up actually pushed the pump pipe thing, drain, and popped it someplace where it wasn't supposed to be draining, and so that's why all the condensation was there. Anyway, I was freaked out because that's what happened when I first got timber. It was snowing and icy, and I didn't know she had a leak there. And so, like, when it started thawing, I came inside, I was like, doop-de-doo, I'm so excited, and I'm like, wow, there's water on the floor, and I was like, oh! So it was like, flashback to, like, horribleness, but it's all good now. This week, I've painted a whole lot, so everything's all white, it's whitewashed. I still gotta do the polyurethane layer. I'm in the middle of doing the backsplash. I'm kind of working with like maybe some rustic pieces of wood here. And then right here above the stove, I took out that old ugly marble stuff, which I actually cut myself on because it's really sharp. And then that's where I'm going to be putting up the diamond backsplash. That's vintage. A lot of old RVs had that. Yeah. I don't know, not too much is going on. I've been caulking the outside, sealing all the edges around the windows and stuff, and then also the vents and stuff up there. I've been putting down this paint-on sealant stuff. So after I finish caulking, I can pretty much take her outside. She'll be able to like breathe. She won't be suffocating in this barn. Well, anyway, that's what's going on this week. We'll see what happens next week. I'm really excited. Only got 2 more weekends to go. Ah!